Greetings, it's Friday, July 30th, 2021. Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, and Tolerance Education Art Series 47 is now complete. I have it set here vertically in my studio. I'm going to do one short video separate for each of the, about showing the photographs I used for the source material for each of the three smaller drawings. Starting with this one. This child here from a Warsaw Ghetto photograph. That's the child there. In the book Warsaw Ghetto, 45th Anniversary of the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising, 1943 to 1988, published by Interpress in Warsaw, 1988. This child is also depicted in an Under the Wing series artwork, number 35, which is a multi-image artwork. I have the Polish language edition of the book, and it's in the chapter Warszawski Ghetto. It's, this child is in the chapter called Dzieci, Children. There's the inside publication it's hard to pronounce, Polish, Interpress Publishers, published 1988 in Warsaw.